Bishop George Mamaleseri, the first bishop of the Diocese of Tura, Meghalaya, passed away on July 5, 2024 at Holy Cross Hospital in Tura due to severe respiratory issues. Born on April 23, 1932 in Kalathur, Kerala, he overcame early challenges including the loss of his parents at a young age. His journey into priesthood began at Sacred Heart Seminary in Punamali, where he completed his studies from 1950 to 1960. Driven by a missionary spirit, Bishop Mamaleseri volunteered to serve in northeast India. Ordained in 1960, he was assigned to the challenging Garo Hills region under the Archdiocese of Shillong, Guwahati. Despite the region's hardships, malaria and wildlife, Bishop Mamaleseri served as an assistant parish priest in Tura and Bagmara before becoming the parish priest of Dalu in 1970. During the 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War, Bishop Mamaleseri provided humanitarian aid to displaced people in his parish. Recognizing the need for a stronger pastoral presence in the region, he was appointed the first bishop of Tura by the Holy See on February 8, 1979 and ordained on March 18, 1979 at the age of 46. As bishop, he embarked on an ambitious mission to develop the Diocese of Tura. He expanded existing centers and established new parishes along with schools, convents, dispensaries and hostels, aiming to uplift the region's economic and educational standards. His efforts led to the establishment of educational institutions even in remote areas, inviting the Salesians and Jesuits to set up colleges in Tura and Williamnagar respectively. Bishop Mamaleseri's commitment to healthcare was equally remarkable. He established 34 dispensaries and founded the Holy Cross Hospital in Tura in 1993, a significant milestone for healthcare in the region. His initiatives in healthcare education included establishing the Rhino Simonity School of Nursing and inviting the Montfort brothers to establish the Montfort Center for the physically challenged. Even after retiring in 2007, Bishop Mamaleseri remained active in serving the diocese from the priest's home. His contributions were widely recognized. He received the Patogan Sangma Award from the Government of Meghalaya and an honorary doctorate from the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya in 2019. Throughout his life, Bishop George Mamaleseri exemplified unwavering dedication to the Church and the people of Meghalaya. His legacy lives on through the institutions he established and the lives he touched. The Church in India remains indebted to his pioneering work in the Garo Hills and his foundational role in shaping the Diocese of Tura into what it is today. Bishop George Mamaleseri will be remembered for his profound impact on education, healthcare, and socio-economic development in northeast India.